In this video, I will show you how to set A3 paper size in Illustrator. So click on File, then Document Setup. Here click on Edit Artboards and in Preset select A3. Find out in this list A3 selected. Now here click on Fit on Screen and also you can zoom in and zoom out. So to print file, and here you will see the option print. So make sure in the print you have to select default or A4. So this is the way you can set A4 in Illustrator. Also you can select here media size A4 or A3 as you need. Now here in this media size you can select A3 and print it. So this is the way you can set A3 in Illustrator.